Okay, so I just finished repairing 3 missile commands out of a stack of 4. These are boards that have been laying around for years, and I found them recently and decided I'd go ahead and try to repair them. Got 3 of them running. This one I remember from years ago trying to repair. This is the only missile command board I've never been able to repair. And you can see I've replaced a lot of stuff. It looks like I started off replacing the rams. They must have been all bad. By the way, you can knock all these out if you accidentally unplug the main connector with the power on. Sometimes it knocks out all the rams. I replaced chips relating to the DRAM addressing, and that's what this section is right here. The PROM, which is also related to writing to the DRAMs, is confirmed good. And on this board, it passes self-test. If you look up here, RAM okay, ROM okay, map okay. So self-test passes, but the colors are whacked and the vertical is wrong. Horizontally, you can read it. So the horizontal circuitry, I believe, is okay. It's got to be related to vertical addressing to the DRAM. So when I put it in self-test, you can see the colors are still whacked. It says command missile. This missile should be up here. You can see the cities in the bottom. The third color bit stuff looks like it's in the middle, so it should be down here. So these are all clues, and I've tried everything I could think of to get this one working. So hey, this is the one missile command I haven't been able to fix. Have you ever seen anything like this before? And if so, give me a clue on how you fixed it, or if you weren't able to fix it. That's would also be good information to know. So yeah, this is the one I haven't been able to fix, but I haven't given up yet. I gave up for years, and now that it's back on my bench, I'll keep on looking at it.